The Samsung 980 Pro with Heatsink is a serious contender for the best PS5 SSD upgrade. This 1TB NVMe M.2 drive boasts PCIe Gen 4 speeds, promising significantly faster load times than standard PS5 storage and even outpacing older PCIe 3.0 SSDs. Samsung claims it's twice as fast as PCIe 3.0 and a whopping 12 times faster than their SATA SSDs. In real-world use, this translates to near-instantaneous game loading and seamless transitions between levels. But speed isn't everything. The integrated heatsink is a crucial feature, especially for the PS5's somewhat confined storage slot. It effectively dissipates heat, ensuring consistent performance during prolonged gaming sessions and preventing thermal throttling that could otherwise slow things down. This is a huge advantage over drives without a heatsink. Samsung's in-house controller further optimizes performance by harmonizing the flash memory and interface. This tight integration contributes to the 980 Pro's impressive speed and stability. Beyond gaming, this SSD excels in demanding tasks like graphics editing, data analysis, and video rendering. The included Samsung Magician software is a valuable addition, allowing you to monitor drive health, optimize performance, and even receive firmware updates. While the 980 Pro sits at a premium price point, the combination of blistering speed, effective thermal management, and Samsung's reputation for reliability makes it a compelling choice for anyone seeking top-tier storage performance for their PS5 or PC. The slim 8.6mm form factor ensures compatibility with the PS5, and its optimized power efficiency is a welcome bonus. If you're looking to eliminate loading screens and experience truly next-gen storage speeds, the Samsung 980 Pro with Heatsink is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.